Very important day of testimony in the Lori Vallow murder trial. The Doomsday mom, the Doomsday cult mom, her sister took the stand. The jury was played a conversation between the accused and the sister that really could influence the jury, okay? Let me bring in the panel. We got Gigi McKelvey, eyes and ears in the courtroom, but also just a great mind for understanding what matters in a case and how the jury is being influenced. Also, high-profile attorney Mark Geragos and Florida State Prosecutor Dave Aronberg. Let's get right to the grist for the mill. Here is the moment of the day, according to McKelvey.
You know me, Summer. That's what I thought. You still do. Or if you let that happen to them and didn't tell us and left me in the ground like a piece of trash, then I don't know you because you would have never done anything like that. That's correct. We would have taken them. We would have taken care of them. You could have gone on and done anything you wanted. That's what you think? I don't know what to think. None of us do. You haven't told us anything. I would have taken Tylee and JJ in a heartbeat, and everybody else would have too. You know that. If they were in any danger. I have no idea what happened. You're right. Nobody does because you said nothing. Because everybody sees what's on TV. That has nothing to do with TV. This is your and my conversations. You didn't call to tell me Alex died or that your kids are gone. Nothing. You don't think that's going to cause pain throughout our entire family? That's never my intention. Well, you don't think I'm in pain? No, I don't. I think you were dancing on the beach having a great time. Getting married.
Now, I got to tell you something, not for the panel, but for you at home, okay? The people in that box are like you, not like us on this panel right now, okay? And they have expectations of how people will react to different situations. And when you are dealing with the worst thing imaginable to a parent, right, which is the death of their child, and let alone that you are accused of it, they have expectations. And one person in that conversation meets the expectations, and the other is the accused. Gigi McKelvey, how did it play?
It was hard to listen to. You know, initially Summer defended Lori publicly on national TV, saying there's no way she would hurt her kids. But as we know, that wasn't the case. And this jury, it was painful for them to sit and listen to this. You could feel the emotion coming through the speakers. You could almost cut it with a knife. At the same time, you have Summer on the stand wiping her eyes, and Lori sitting at the defense table wiping her eyes with a tissue. So it was very impactful on that jury, no doubt.
Mark Geragos, what do you do with it?
You've got to get up there and cross-examine with a little bit of a deft touch. I mean, it is, as you said, the emotion there on one side seems appropriate. The other almost is a complete deadening of emotion. So you're going to have to place it in context. You're going to have to tell, at least through the cross, what the context was, why it was being taped, and try to set it up. I mean, that's all you can do. I don't know, since I wasn't in the courtroom, like Gigi was, whether in fact they did that or if that's yet to come. But that's one of the toughest things you're ever going to have to do as a defense lawyer.
This is a tough one. Aronberg, how does this stack up for you?
It's really good for prosecutors. Here's a way to get the defendant to speak to the jury without taking the stand. And she's speaking to the jury in an unguarded moment, saying things that would otherwise be non-controversial. She said, I've taken care of them my whole life. I didn't bury them. Okay, that may be true. And in any other context, that may be a little weird, but not controversial. But in this context, it's an abomination. There's not one parent on that jury that wouldn't be outraged by the way she acted, especially compared to the way her sister acted.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of NewsNation's fact-driven coverage.